Another way that you can create your Canvas homepage or your Canvas course is using a customized homepage. Now this is more for an advanced user, somebody who knows how to work with images, knows how to work with creating buttons and things of that nature and links to these things. But you'll see that this one is a little bit more user-friendly and a little bit more creative and decorative, engaging than the modules page. But if you're teaching a course, typically all you really need is probably the modules setup. I designed this one so that teachers could get to most frequently used or needed different sites and resources. So if you click on these buttons, you will find that it will take you to a link. And for example, this one was bell schedules, and there's a link to the bell schedule. So it's super easy to navigate through and find the material real easily, but you have to go through quite an extensive process in order to create all of these little buttons to link to all of the different things that you want in your content. So I don't recommend this for first-time users, but if you want to make your page real eye-appealing and creative, then we can sit down and spend some time working on a site like this.